we discuss ArrayList in Java collection API. So very first we discuss why we use an ArrayList class in Java collection API. Normal array has some limitations. So very first we should discuss what are the limitations in normal array in Java. First, we cannot increase or decrease size of an array at runtime. For example, suppose I have declared an array of size 10. After entering 10 items in an array, if I want to store 11th item in an array, I cannot insert 11th item in an array because size I have mentioned that is 10. So, if I need more size at runtime, after entering some data in the array, I cannot increase the size in a normal array. First drawback or limitation of an array. Second drawback or limitations of an array is I can store only same type of data in an array in normal Java array. Here. But if I want to store different kind of data in an array, that time I cannot use a normal array in Java. So, to reduce these two limitations, to remove these two limitations, if I need more size at runtime, then we can use an ArrayList class in Java. Again, if you want to store different kind of data in a array, then we can use again an ArrayList class. So, we can use in this particular program an ArrayList class. ArrayList class is a predefined class available in java.util package, that is the part of collection API. Clear? So very first we should discuss two more important benefit of an ArrayList class. Very first benefit is that we can store different type of data in an ArrayList class. Suppose if you want to store an integer, we can store it, float, character, string, any reference, any array or any instance of any another class you can store in an ArrayList class. So if you want to store different kind of data collectively in a single unit, that time you can use an ArrayList class in Java collections API. Clear? First thing. Second, if you want to store more data at runtime, then we don't worry about the size in ArrayList class. Suppose if we have declared an ArrayList class of size 10, very first. After inserting 10 element, when I want to insert 11th element, automatically it will increase in size. So user or programmer don't need to worry about the size to increase at runtime. So we can discuss particular concept of an ArrayList class by using this example. So we can focus on this example here. I have declared a particular instance of an ArrayList class, that is L1. Initial size is 5. It means that I can store 5 elements in this particular ArrayList. So if you want to store any element in an ArrayList, so we can use add method. So we can write L1.add first. So very first I am storing string type of data. At second I am storing integer type data. At third I am storing again string type of data. At fourth character type data and float type data and string type data, again long type data, double type data. Here, so I am storing here different kind of data in an ArrayList, that is a L1. So in this program, finally we can see L1 has different kind of elements, as you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 elements. And we can remove a particular element in this ArrayList. So here we are removing L1.remove 5. And if we want to access the number of elements in an ArrayList, we can use simple loop. Here initialization, condition, and increment decrement. So here is a method available, get method available in an ArrayList class. By using the get method, we can access a particular element in an ArrayList class. So L1 is my ArrayList and dot get is a method and I is the index from where I want to access an element. So we can access all number of elements by using an array, by using a for loop. So here that is the next ArrayList class, that is A11. Again I am passing L1 complete array list into the new array list, that is AL1. So complete array list will be copied to the new array list, that is AL1. So again I want to access the complete second array list, and again I can use for each loop. So now thus we can use an array list class to store different kind of data, and it can increase in size at runtime. So whenever we need such kind of requirement, whenever we need in software such type of requirement, then finally we can use an ArrayList class of a Java. Thank you.